Hello everyone, this is a very basic tutorial demonstrating loading data from Qlik QVX file into the database. In this particular example, we are going to be using MySQL Server as example, but the same principle applies to any of the databases supported. I have already created source connection, here it is, and a target connection to SQL Server. Let's start from creating a new transformation. Call it QVX to database. I'm going to be using validator, so just delete it. So our source connection type is QVX. Connection name is source. Select the file. Here is our leads file. So to format it. Target connection is SQL Server. And table name is leads. It's also truncated. Before loading. And do the mapping. Just use automap. And preview it, use our data. Nearly done. So we just need to run our transformation. For some reason, some of the records are rejected, but this is normal. If you look at the execution log, you'll see that the field name is far too long, so we can ask our DBA to update the table structure. Anyway, I hope you found this tutorial useful. Please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please go to our support forum and we will do our best to help you. Thank you, bye.